Can I withdraw my PF amount? When can I withdraw it? How much can I withdraw it? And how can I withdraw it? And a thousand other questions.
Thousand questions later.
We heard you, and here's a detailed video on PF withdrawal. Hello and welcome. I'm Ekta from ClearPay, India's largest tax and financial services platform, where we have served more than 6 million tax filers. Please watch this video till the end, as we will be covering everything about PF withdrawal in detail. So let us answer the when first. When can I withdraw my PF balance? You must first understand that there are two types of withdrawal, that is complete withdrawal and partial withdrawal. Complete withdrawal is when you can withdraw your entire PF balance, but this can happen only under two circumstances. That is when you retire on attaining an age of 58 years. You may ask, what in case I voluntarily retire? Then you must be at least 55 years and you can withdraw 90% of the amount 1 year before the retirement, that is 54, when you are 54 years old. The second circumstances under which you can withdraw the entire amount is when you have been unemployed for more than 1 month. Now let's understand partial withdrawal. Partial withdrawal is permitted in the case of marriage, education, medical emergency, house purchase or construction or renovation. There are various conditions and limits to be satisfied before making a partial withdrawal. You can refer to the link given in the description for a detailed explanation on all such limits and conditions for partial withdrawal. Now let's look at the process of withdrawal. In this video, we will be covering a complete withdrawal process. The same shall apply also to the partial withdrawal process, which you can do. For PF withdrawal, you will have to first log into the UN portal. Type UN login on Google and click on the very first link. Here, this is the EPFO official portal from where you can withdraw PF and pension balance. Here, you will have to enter your UN account number and then the password. Also enter the correct CAPTCHA code and click submit. Here you will have all the basic details. The next step in PF withdrawal process is filling up of claim form. Under online services drop down, you can see claim form and it has 4 forms: 31, 19, 10C and 10D. 31 is for partial withdrawal and form 19 is for your complete withdrawal during your unemployment period or after termination of your services. And then form 10C is for pension withdrawal and form 10D is for withdrawal of your pension after the retirement period. Now click on this claim form button. Here all your basic details will be auto-populated. Your Aadhaar number, PAN number, everything is available here, but except your bank account number. You will have to enter your bank account number and verify it. Make sure the bank account number entered by you is the one which is updated on the UAN portal. In case you wish to receive the withdrawal amount in any other bank account, you will have to first update the bank account in the KYC details section and then proceed with the verification. Enter your bank account number and click on verify. On the next screen, you will have to agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Here, all your service details will be mentioned, like your member ID, that is the employer's ID with whom you last worked, and the date of joining EPF, date of joining EPS, and date of exit from EPF and EPS, and also the reason for leaving. Just verify all of these and click on the button Proceed for online claim. Here, all your bank account details, PAN number, date of joining, date of leaving, etc. will be mentioned again. Here under I want to apply, here you will have 3 options under the drop down: only PF withdrawal, only pension withdrawal, or PF advance withdrawal in form 31, that is for partial withdrawal. Here you will also be required to upload form 15G in case you don't wish TDS to be deducted on the withdrawal amount. A 10% of TDS amount will be deducted. That is, say your withdrawal amount is 1 lakh, then 10,000 will be deducted and you will receive only 90,000. In case your income is less than the taxable limit of 5 lakhs, then you can upload form 15G. To know how to upload form 15G, please refer to the link in the description box below. Fill up form 15G and upload it and proceed to the next section. Here you will be required to enter your address and make sure the address is as per the Aadhaar card. In the next step, you will be required to upload a scanned copy of your check or passbook of that bank account which is updated in the UAN portal. Make sure before that, though passbook option is given, it is always advisable to go with the check option because there are fewer chances of rejections of claim through this option. And make sure the image that you are uploading is of the specific format that is given here and the bank account number, IFSC and the name is very clearly visible. In case it is not visible, then there are higher chances of rejections of your claim. After uploading the scanned copy of the check, you will have to provide your consent for Aadhaar OTP verification. Click the tick box and click on Get Aadhaar OTP. Here you will receive an Aadhaar OTP on your Aadhaar registered mobile number. After entering the OTP, click on Validate OTP and submit claim form. You can see the success message here that your KYC has been updated and PF withdrawal claim has been submitted successfully on the unified portal. To check the status of the claim, click on the drop down and select Track Claim Status. Here you can see the status of your form submitted at the portal at the time and the current status. This was all about the online application. You can also apply offline by filing the form and submitting at your jurisdictional EPFO office. If you've not added your Aadhaar and bank details on the UAN portal, you will have to file composite claim form non-Aadhaar, which is attested by your employer. In case you've added these details and your UAN is activated, you can fill up and submit the composite claim form Aadhaar without attestation from your employer. I hope this video helps clear your doubts about the PF withdrawal process. If you have any more questions related to this, then you can refer to the article which is linked in the description, which will give you a complete clarity. And also you can leave us a comment in the comment section below. We'll get back to you shortly. Do stay tuned for more such informative videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.